Alright, so first project on the Jeep is to figure out why I'm leaking so much oil. You can see it pooled up like right in here. So I'm pretty sure it's my valve cover gasket, and still have to clean this up. You can see it covers off, and got it over here so I can paint it. Got it all cleaned up finally. Getting ready to put some primer on it and stuff, and have the gasket and some RTV to make a good seal and hopefully stop part of my oil leak. I know I still need to replace the oil pan gasket, but we'll see. This is a pain in the butt. There's a screw like almost dead center back there. I had to unplug a ton of crap to get to it. And, I even had to unhook this fuel line here and move it to the side so that I can get the valve cover off. And that was just such a pain in the butt. But yeah, in a little bit here, I will show you what it looks like when it's finished. Alrighty, just a small update. That is the first coat of primer. It's looking so much better even with just the primer on it. So yeah, I mean, it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be flat black, and I got a little 4.2 liter sticker to put right up in there and paint the gloss coat black on, and then peel off, have a nice undercoat looking thing. But next up will be after the first coat of black. Alright, got the first coat of black on. You see how I kind of like, so I'm planning on doing like 3 coats or so, 3 to 4 maybe. Just want to make sure I get good even coverage. You can kind of see here the sticker. So basically what's going to happen is I'll pull off that sticker and unlike the third coat, and it'll be left with that gray primer 4.2 liter, and then I'll put a seal coat over everything, and should have a pretty cool looking valve cover. Alright, so the valve cover has 3 coats on it now. Still have to do a clear coat cover, but it's not really going to change too much. It's just a gloss clear coat, so it'll look about the same. But here's what those stickers I was talking about. So now it says 4.2 liter. And yeah, just chipping away at it. I'll get this clear coat on, and then I'm going to finish cleaning up the valve cover, the actual head area, and get ready to put the gasket back on. And I got a neighbor who's going to come and try and help me so I can have 2 sets of hands on here, and yeah, hopefully I don't mess up. Alrighty, got the gasket in right now. I put a thin layer of RTV, it's the red one down there, and that's helping hold the gasket in place so I don't knock it when it's in there, but also to give me a little bit better of a seal. Made sure to cake it on in the back over there because it's hard for me to get to. So from what I know, this is supposed to be torqued down to 55 inch-pounds. And so I'll be putting the cover on here in a minute. I'll have to disconnect this fuel line, this silver one here, so that I can slide the cap under. Hopefully I don't scratch up the new paint stuff. Yeah, and then I'll just get it into place, and realistically I'll probably get all these on and then do the very last bolt in the very back because that's a pain in the butt. And then it'll just be the matter of connecting everything again and seeing how that goes. Alright, so this is actually like 2 days later because I got caught up over the weekend doing stuff, but you can see it's all put together now. I'm actually missing a screw up here to hold that on, but I want to replace that anyways for the air intake because this one's old and shitty, and get some new stuff rolling there. But looks nice and clean. You can kind of see the 4.2 liter thing there, but yeah, got everything connected right, and you can see it's kind of super oily on all this, so I'm sure at some point I'll get everything taken off and try to clean it all up. And there's just oil that had spilt on everything from before, so hopefully that stopped the upper leak. Still have the oil pan gasket to replace and everything, so but yeah, first project on the Jeep is done.